watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, in this video we gonna cover everything related to preposition, and that gonna be the dative preposition. If you are willing to do the mastery of dative preposition, then this video is a perfect solution for you all. German Gyan brings each and everything to make you master in particular topics. So we are trying our best to come up with each and everything. If you have any suggestion, you can comment down below. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teaching and program, exam preparation, brush up classes. Guys, whatever you can think around German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So why to waste time? Let's get into this video. Let's go.
Learn the prepositions in German. Dative case made easy. Sentence structure with dative preposition. The basic sentence structure of dative preposition is first we write the subject, then verb, then dative preposition, after that dative article, and then noun. It means the object of the sentence is influenced by the case of the preposition. It means if the preposition is accusative, then the object will be accusative, but here if the preposition is dative, then the object will also be dative. For example, as you can see, ich warte auf dich. Here, auf is the accusative preposition, that's why dich is from the accusative case. But now we will focus only on dative preposition, and a correct sentence structure for dative preposition is ich helfe dem Mann, means I am helping the man. Now you must be wondering that why there is no preposition and still the case is dative. It is because helfen is a dative verb, that's why the preposition is also, the object is also dative. But now let's focus on prepositions that always require dative case. Before learning the preposition, let's learn the rule that in German, prepositions influences the case of the object that follows them. And some prepositions always take accusative or dative or vexel preposition. That means it can be accusative or dative depending on the motion or preposition. Dative prepositions are mit, nach, aus, zu, von, seit, bei, gegenüber, ab. Let's go through them one by one with each meaning and examples. The first preposition is mit, which means with or by. By is used in sense of transportation. That means if you say that I travel by bus, by train, at that time you have to use the mit preposition. For example, ich fahre mit dem Bus means I travel by the bus. So always remember, when you want to tell that by which vehicle you are traveling, use the preposition mit. And another example of mit in the sense of with is ich gehe mit meiner Freundin ins Kino, means I go to the cinema with my girlfriend. So in the general sense of with, you can use the mit preposition. Next preposition is nach, which means after or to. Now to is used in the sense of cities and countries. That means when you go to a country or a city, you always use the preposition nach. And after is just normal sense. For example, nach dem Essen machen wir einen Spaziergang, means after eating we go for a walk. And if I say ich fahre nach Berlin, then translation is I'm going to Berlin. And in this sentence I'm saying that I'm going to Berlin, which is a new city, or you can say country when you go. So we always use nach. Third preposition is aus, means out of and from. From is used when you want to show the origin. Now the examples with aus are kommt aus dem Haus, means he comes out of the house. Second example is sie kommt aus Deutschland, means she is from Germany. So here aus is used to show origin, that she belongs to Germany. Fourth preposition is zu, which means to. Means when you go to a people, building, or to event, you use the zu preposition. For example, ich gehe zur Schule means I am going to school, and wir fahren zum Arzt means we are going to the doctor. Here zur is zu plus der and zum is zu plus dem. So you can write the short abbreviations also, like zur and zum. Next preposition is von, means from, of, or about. For example, das Geschenk ist von meiner Mutter, means the gift is from my mother. Another example is der Titel des Buches ist der Name von dem Autor, means the book title is the name of the author. Sixth preposition is by, which means at, near, or with. At means when you are at someone's place or at some place for some professionalism. Near means when you want to show that one thing or one building is located near to the another, and with means like it is used for person and it shows that you are dependent on that person. For example, ich wohne bei meinen Eltern means I live with my parents, and here it shows that you are dependent on them. Second is arbeitet bei BMW means he works at BMW. So whenever you want to tell the name of the company where you work, always use the preposition bei. Third example is das Café ist bei der Bank means the cafe is near the bank. So here you are telling the place. Seventh preposition is seit, means since or for. This is used for time. For example, ich lerne seit einem Jahr Deutsch means I have been learning German for 1 year. And another example is seit dem Urlaub bin ich entspannt means I have been relaxed since the vacation. Eighth preposition is gegenüber. Gegenüber means opposite and across from. For example, die Post ist gegenüber dem Supermarkt means the post office is opposite to the supermarket. And another example is sitzt mir gegenüber means he sits across from me. Now a note for you that gegenüber can appear before or after the noun, as you can see the difference in the position of gegenüber in first and second sentence. The last preposition is ab, which means from. This is used to show a starting point in a time. For example, ab nächster Woche arbeite ich in Berlin means from next week I'll work in Berlin. Second example is ab dem 1. Juli gilt das neue Gesetz means from 1st July the new law applies. Let's take a quick recap of all the prepositions that we have discussed. So the first preposition is mit, which means with or by, and by is used in the sense of transport. Next preposition is nach, means to. It means when you move to a new city or country, use nach preposition. Another preposition is aus, means out of, or it is used to show the origin, means in the sense of from. The next preposition is su, which means to. When you go to a place or people, you use su preposition. Next is von, means from, of, or about. Then by, which means at, near, or with, where with shows dependency on some person. Then next preposition is seit, means since or for in the sense of time. Then gegenüber. Gegenüber means opposite or across from, means it is used to show the position. And the last preposition is ab, which means from, and it is used to show a starting point in time.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love to all the videos which we have uploaded till yet. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan.